How to install a 60-watt LED light bulb. Simply put, LED light bulbs are the easiest way to save energy at home. 60-watt A19 LED bulbs are near universal, easy to install, and can be used in a wide range of applications. Depending on the fixture, you may need a screwdriver and stepladder to change certain bulbs in your home. We also recommend establishing a safe place to store the removed bulb to reduce the risk of broken glass. Optionally, if you suspect that a bulb may already be broken, we recommend using gloves and safety glasses. Before changing any bulbs, be sure that power to the fixture is turned off. You must also make sure that the LED bulb you're using as a replacement is an appropriate wattage and application for your fixture. This can be done by comparing the wattages of the new and old bulbs. Begin by carefully unscrewing the old light bulb, being sure to use a light touch and just the right amount of pressure. Gripping the bulb too firmly can cause it to crack or shatter, and an excess of torque or pressure can dislodge the fixture. Once the old bulb is removed and safely stowed, you can proceed with screwing in the new LED bulb, using the same precautions used to remove the old bulb. Be sure not to install the light bulb too tightly. Once the bulb is firmly installed, test it by turning the light switch on. Simply repeat for any old, inefficient bulbs in your home, and you're well on your way to energy efficiency success. For more DIY energy-saving tips, explore the NYSERDA website.